Hello, Spring Lake Park students. This is Mr. Williamson.
And my name is Noor Ali.
Today, we're going to give you a general overview of registration week. First slide we have is just a reminder of our counseling team and what grades and what letters we'll be counseling next year. First things first, let's look at our timeline for the next 3 weeks. Today, we're doing a general overview of registration, and we'll also be explaining all the new fun and exciting courses we'll be offering. Tomorrow, you'll have a video on our career pathways and elective choices. On Thursday, you'll review your 4-year plan and make edits as needed. And then on Friday, we will show you how to actually register. Week 2, Pride Time on Monday, will be a celebration of Black History Month. Next Wednesday, the 16th, will be College Fair Prep. And your last day to register will be February 23rd. Now, a much larger timeline. If you look in February, as you see, we're beginning the registration process, as we need you to pick at least 18 units of classes to be fully registered. Now, it's okay, because if you look and see May is going to be the month that you can actually go back and review your choices and make edits as needed. And then back in August, in our back to school event, is when you'll receive your final course schedules.
And here this year we do have new classes, and one of them is journalism, sports and entertainment marketing, 3D video game design and development, intro to construction trade, yoga and personal fitness, and also we will offer some courses with the Anoka Ramsey Community Technical College, such as ceramic art, history, pre-calculus and physics, and modern world civilization, and Spanish 3 and German
2. All right, the first new class we're going to offer is journalism. If you have any interest in print, online, or broadcast media, you're very interested in different types of reporting, maybe you feel like you have some very strong writing skills, this should be a class you should check out in your Naviance course catalog.
And sports and entertainment marketing is a unique course. Is designed for students that have an interest in the sports and entertainment. In this course, the students will have the opportunity to explore basic marketing principles and dive deeper into multi-billion-dollar sports and entertainment marketing industry.
All right, 3D video game design and development. If you've had interest thus far in classes like digital art and design, or maybe some of our classes in our technological engineering pathways, this could be the class for you. You think about different things like designing and programming in 3-dimensional games, text-based programming language. It also includes 3D rendering, complex conditionals. So once again, these courses are all available in Naviance course catalog. So if you have interest, I recommend you click on it and you spend some time reading the full course description.
Intro to construction trade. The student in this course will learn a wide variety of skills related to a general trade. The students will learn job safety, how to operate power tool, and how to read blueprints, farming, cutting, various installation basic, and hear from trade professionals that are out there.
All right. So the intro to construction trades would be one trimester class. Now, the more in-depth class would be construction trades. This class would be up to 2 hours a day and would be all year long. This would be taking the basic skills you learned in Introduction to Construction Trades and applying them to much larger projects, some of which would include learning more about construction materials, tools, and equipment, learning how to read blueprints, analyzing, estimating, and planning residential buildings, and a very strong possibility that this class may be building a house next year. So very exciting stuff.
Yoga and personal fitness. This course, student will focus using yoga and activity to meet their personal fitness needs and goals. This is going to be something that is going to be based in a group, an individual student, and they will come together to learn and evaluate their own fitness and set a goal to exercise and meet those goals.
All right. As we listed in one of the earlier slides, we have added more college classes through Anoka Ramsey Community College. If you have heard of or have taken classes like college reading and writing or college algebra, these classes would be similar in the fact that we partner with Anoka Ramsey in these classes. The 4 new classes we're offering is ceramics, art history, pre-calculus, physics, and modern world civilization, which would take place of your world history credits. So once again, if any of these classes interest you, I recommend going to the course catalog in Naviance and reading the full course description.
And here, this slide is gonna, we are talking about time for research. And here, this slide is gonna, we are talking about time for research and discussion. Some of the resources that we have to log into Naviance to view the full course description and review your 4-year plan. Talk with your current teacher for advice and guidance. Review and discuss your 4-year plan with your parents. Tomorrow, be ready to explore our many different career pathways and elective options.
So this is the end of our general overview of registration week. Take your time, talk with your teachers, talk with your parents, feel free to schedule a meeting with your counselor, but really these next couple weeks should be your research and discussion time, and then be ready to have all your courses entered into campus by February 23rd. We hope this video was helpful, and you can go back and watch it again if you feel like you missed something, but really your #1 resource for this week will be Naviance. Good luck, and we wish you all the best.
And remember, please plan ahead of time and take the courses that you have a passion for. And thank you.